In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a countdown timer in PowerPoint using VBA, step by step. This is perfect for presentations, classroom activities, quizzes, meetings, or anytime you need a visible timer running directly inside your slide. Don't worry if you've never used VBA before, I'll guide you through everything in a simple and easy way. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the countdown timer to appear. Click on Insert in the top menu, then click on Shapes, and from the Shape options, choose Rectangle. Now drag and drop the rectangle onto your slide. You can resize and position it wherever you want your timer to be displayed. Next, we need to rename this shape properly so the macro can recognize it. Go to the Home tab, click on Arrange, and then open the Selection pane. In the Selection pane, you'll see your rectangle listed. Double-click on its name and rename it to Countdown. Make sure you spell it exactly as Countdown, all lowercase, because the code depends on this exact name. Next, we need to enable the Developer tab since it's not visible by default in PowerPoint. Right-click anywhere on the ribbon at the top and click on Customize the ribbon. In the panel that opens, look for Developer on the right side and tick the checkbox next to it. Then click OK. You should now see the Developer tab appear in your ribbon. Click on Developer and then click on View Code. This will open the VBA editor window. In the left panel, find your presentation under VBA Project. Right-click on it, click on Insert, and then choose Module. A new blank module window will appear on the right side. Now open your browser and go to https://pptva.com/powerpoint/insert-countdown-timer. On that page, you'll see the countdown timer VBA code. Copy the entire code carefully. Then go back to the PowerPoint VBA module window and paste the code into the blank module area. Once you've pasted the code, close the VBA editor window and return to your slide in PowerPoint. Now we need to connect the macro to the rectangle we created. Click on the rectangle shape on your slide. Then go to Insert in the top menu and click on Action. In the Action Settings window, select Run Macro. You'll see the macro name listed there. Select it and click OK. That's it. Your countdown timer is now connected. To test it, go to Slideshow mode. When your slide appears, click on the rectangle. As soon as you click it, the countdown timer will start running inside that shape. You now have a fully working countdown timer directly inside PowerPoint. You can customize the duration inside the VBA code if you want a longer or shorter timer. Just adjust the time value in the module, and it will update how the countdown behaves. And that's how you create a countdown timer in PowerPoint using VBA. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.